So now in this video we're going to measure current through a 1000 ohm resistor again, but we're going to use the auto ranging meter. We have the red probe where we measure milliamps, as you can see there, and the black probe as comm. We want to make sure that there's no current going through the probes when we change the setting. They are just floating there. And all we have to do is set it to milliamps. It automatically turns on when you turn the dial off of off. And you can see we're ready to measure milliamps in DC. And always when measuring current, you need to open up the circuit and then you complete the circuit with the meter. I have the power supply set to 1 volt, but the power is off. It actually gives a negative voltage. There we go. We turn the power on. We have 1 milliamp of current. And the reason why we had 1 milliamp of current is because we got 1 volt powering the circuit. And I'm going to show the wattage. It's also 1 milliwatt of power that we are generating. And there we go, we got 2 volts. We have twice the current, which is actually 4 times the wattage. And I'm going to show the wattage on the bottom again. Wattage is how hot the resistor is getting. This is a 1/4 watt resistor. We don't want to exceed about 1/8 of a watt. And you can, but the resistor will get hotter than you like. And so I'm going to show those numbers on the screen so you get a little more familiar with them. When it comes to resistors, especially we're going to use them to limit current or whatever, it's very important you know how much current's going to go through them. With a 1000 ohm resistor, it's 1 milliamp of current for each volt. Pretty straightforward, but the power that's generated, the wattage, is the voltage times the current in amps right there. And remember, a milliamp is 1/1000th of an amp. You can see how they're tracking together right there. And we really don't want to exceed 12 volts. We can. It won't exceed the wattage rating, but it's above the recommended wattage. Usually you have other components in series with the resistor too to take away some of the voltage. We'll talk about that in future videos. But in any case, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure you turn off the multimeter when you are done, and it is off.